What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, this time let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at the market's performance for the past 24 hours, and then we will check on I'll show you my positions. But before that, we will check on the price in a little bit of details, and then after that, I'll show you my positions. Okay, that's how it usually go. But anyways, guys, earlier today I kind of uploaded a video and kind of expressing myself and telling you guys some points that you got to take in how do I say it? Some points you really have to think about when it comes to the crypto market. Okay, people take risk, other people don't like risk, but hey, you have to understand something. For you to be rich, getting rich is not okay. Let me put it this way: getting rich is not easy. If it was easy, everybody would have been rich today. Therefore, it's not an easy task, and only a few, when I mean a few, let's just say this is the entire world, only a tiny, like the tip of their fingernail, only a tiny amount really get rich. Why? I told you, patience is one of them. If you are patient, guys, you will make you an insane amount of money. If you're patient, come on. That is one of the qualities, okay? Excuse me. Patience is one of the qualities. Second time is another thing is like, you know what? You have to do things that nobody else is doing, okay? Look, I understand this. People believe in a project, other projects you don't believe in. I will sit here and talk about the project that I believe in. Okay, like I told you guys, if you've been following my channel, you will know very well. Excuse me. If you've been following my channel, you will know, first of all, in my portfolio, Kaspa. Kaspa is my number one. Followed by followed by Quant. You guys already know I am a big believer in Quant, and I know Quant is going to take my money in places, understand? And then after Quant, we have Jasmine. And again, people don't see the opportunity in Jasmine, but I see it. So therefore, these are the things. When you have your conviction in a project, to put your mouth where your money is. If for some reason, no matter what reason it is, you feel like, okay, this project is no longer doing it for me, guess what? Cut your losses and keep going. Cut your losses and keep going. But one thing I've seen time after time, okay, I've seen this a lot of times. You stop your trades, you go into something else that is shining, and as soon as you stop your trades, guess what? It starts to skyrocket. It starts to go up like craziness. We have it in opposite ways, okay? My mistake is like thinking Kaspa in the same as the rest of the crypto world. But now I understand something. Kaspa moves differently, and that if you kind of look at it in a bigger picture, last year, October, November, when every cryptocurrency was tanking, Kaspa was going up. That's it. So yeah, you are going to see it that once people think like, okay, I'm going to the next shiny thing, Kaspa is going to start to rise. Because like I said, if you look at the indicators are showing that Kaspa is severely oversold right now. As a matter of fact, let me show you right quick, okay? Let me show you this right quick. Okay, this is Kaspa. Excuse me. Yeah, here. This is Kaspa. As you can see, we are on a weekly chart. Okay, it's a weekly chart. You see that? Okay, we're on the weekly. Sorry about that. Now, look, this is what I've been telling guys. You got to pay attention to the indicators. I showed you guys the ribbon the other day. Today I'm about to show you something. Now, look, this right here is the MACD and the RSI on the weekly. Now, if you can see, look at the RSI. See how the RSI is way down on the weekly. It's already reset, okay? There's a bullish momentum. The only thing we are looking at right now, we're waiting for, is to see the MACD. See, the MACD still dropping. Therefore, we are waiting for the MACD to drop and be in the same situation like the RSI right here. Once that happens, guys, you can enter your long trades. Unless you are scalping the market. Once you're scalping the market, yeah, but you have to stay like stock right in front of your computer. Okay, that is what is happening right now with Kaspa. Looking at Kaspa again, you can tell that we have failed. Okay, the price has failed all the way down from 21 cents to 11 cents. It has fallen all the way down to like 43 or 47%. I can't do that on my phone right now. With my computer, I would have shown you the exact number. But yeah, that is how you have to, first of all, exercise your patience. Because when you do that, I know it is tempting. It is tempting to get in your trades and starts to go. I did that. I took some profits, and which again I will show you right now. Took some profit, and looking at the RSI and the MACD, I decided, you know what, I'm going to close those trades on Bydfi, on Margex, because Margex does not allow me to scale up my trades. That's why I closed them. If they did, then I would have just scaled them up and then let them run just like I'm doing with the Bydfi and Phemex. But yeah, these are the things that you have to take in account. Be patient enough, because on the weekly, yeah, the RSI has reset, but we're still waiting for the MACD. MACD has to reset before you start getting in your long-term, those $1 million positions. Okay, that's how I do it. So now, if you go look at the price, let's take Kaspa on the daily. Okay, let me go here, take it on the daily. Now, with the weekly still not reset, you can see the daily is not reset neither. So you can see it even when you look at the point of control. Look at the price on the point of control. Right now we are battling that, and we are at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Those things are the things that you have to look at when you are making a decision on whether you want to go long on the market. I don't short the market. I don't do that. The only time I'm going to short it is at the top of the bull run or close to it. And like I said, I will let you guys know when I start to short Bitcoin, and I will do it. So yeah, this is how it is working. There is a lot of theories out there. Okay, excuse me. Let me go here. Excuse me for a second. There is a lot of theories out there talking about, people want to like suppress the market down to $500 million to this and that. Guys, it's not possible. Okay, it's not. I will tell you something. I was redoing my research today, and I found out, okay, one, Marathon Digital is selling their Kaspa. Is doing that. That is inevitable. Okay, like I always say, taking profits is not a bad thing, never. But Marathon Digital, they have to sell their Kaspa. Why? Because they have to like render accounts to their investors. They have to. It's not like it's their personal coins. They are a company that needs to make money. Therefore, they do sell, trying to buy more Bitcoin or whatever thing they're doing. That's one thing. And again, if you go to the Kaspa Lady website, you will also see who is also selling. And the funny thing about it is that is the people that have between 1 to 10,000 Kaspas, they are the people selling. And the whales, they are the people buying. So if you think that the Kaspa was done for, why do you think the whales are buying it? Why? That has to answer your question. Again, if you're not how do I say it? If you're not convinced that Kaspa can make you a lot of money, it's okay. Sell, move to the next shiny thing. But I'm telling you, based on what I just showed you right now, RSI has reset on the monthly and on the weekly. We are now waiting for the MACD. As soon as that MACD reset, guys, trust me, it's moon time. And when it's moon time, you're about to see this thing go from what it is now. I think prices, excuse me. I think prices, that's one thing that even me, I don't like it, but I think we might be seeing prices go to like 10.5, 10.4 cents if that doesn't reset, if the MACD does not reset before that. Okay, that's something that I'm looking at. Again, it's up to you. You want to sit there and go chase meme coins? Fine. That's your money. It's not mine. I'm not a financial advisor. Like I said, I am only showing you what I am doing. And for me, I put my money in things that I believe they are really, really going to make me money. Things like King Kaspa, Quant, because the banking system, guys, the monetary system is getting built on Quant. And you guys are about to see it, okay? Regulations are coming. Some countries have had them, others have not. And you've seen the BRICS nation, they have started to make their moves. So yeah, that is the reason. Excuse me, I'm in a parking lot as you can see. But that's the reason why I believe that Quant will make me a lot of money. Because guys, gateways, we're still waiting for gateways. When project gateway gets here and we can stake the Quant, that supply shock will take place. And that thing, guys, everybody knows. Everybody knows. They're having their meetings talking about how to do the blockchain into the financial institution. United Kingdom, they already started. They did not even wait. I think Hong Kong has also started, and there's other countries. If that is not enough to make you bullish, look at that. The BRIC nations, they had their summit the other day, and one of the things they discussed was the end bridge. It's coming, easy and slowly. And like I said, Jasmine is another one that have my gears grinding. Why? Because just for them reducing the circulation supply, this thing could go up to $1 or even $2. Without that, we can be talking about 60 to 70 cents. That for me, excuse me, and that for me is a lot of money. If you go from now, put in a leverage position and let it go to 60 cents, you'll be making a lot of money. Or even if you buy Jasmine today at less than a cent and it goes to 60 cents, that's a lot of money. So yeah, you can do whatever you want with your money. It's not financial advice. But me, when I see opportunity, I take it. And I believe that this is a one in a lifetime opportunity. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's go here to my crypto bubbles. All right, see that Bitcoin is kind of coming back down, just like I told you guys yesterday. I believe that the Bitcoin pump has to come and retrace and to retest the previous resistance turning into support. So as you can see, the whole market is doing what it is doing. Now, if you go to the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey, we're going to talk about King Kaspa. King Kaspa being the number one. As you can see, Kaspa is up for the past hour 0.99%, 0.11% up in the day, 14% down on the week, 29.6% down on the month, and 126% up in the year. We have a market cap of $2.8 billion and 24 hours of trading volume of $110 million. Looking at Quant, QNT, we are down 0.19% in the last hour, 1.8% down on the day, 3.1% down on the week, 17.6% down on the month, and 40.2% down on the year, with a market cap of $739 million and a low trading volume in the past 24 hours of $12.4 million. And last but not the least, we look at Jasmine, JAS. Now, for the past hour, we are up 0.02%. On the day, we are down 1.4%. Now, we can look at that On the week, we are up 1.4%. On the month, we are down 18.4% and 378% up on the year, with a market cap of $929 million and 24 hours trading volume of $37.11 million. Now, guys, this as you can see those numbers right there, except for Kaspa, Quant and Jasmine, they look like they are always like stabilizing up. It looks like they're trying to follow Bitcoin, whatever Bitcoin is doing. Now, if you look at prices in a little detail, let's go here on my trading view. Okay, let me search for that right quick. Trading view, right there. If you look for trading view, now we're about to look at the prices in a little bit of details. Okay, like I told you guys, yeah, it's inevitable. The price of Kaspa is going down, and we're waiting for just that one signal. Once I get that one signal, then yeah, my Margex trades will be fired up immediately. But anyways, as you can see, this is very weird. That is why it is a little bit difficult for people to believe that the price is going, because this is a falling wedge. Okay, the other time again, I have one of my subscribers telling me that my lines were wrong. Okay, let's see, let's just entertain the idea that my lines were wrong. He said I need to move my bottom line to the week right here, that I should move them right there. Well, I think it makes some kind of sense what he's saying. Say like, okay, that is the bottom side of the wedge, therefore we're just testing the bottom side of the wedge, and we're about to see if we are to go up. But one thing that I am particularly interested in this chart, by the way, we're on the daily. Okay, one thing that I'm particularly interested in this chart is the moving average. Okay, if you see, the moving average is curving down, and the ribbon is also falling down. So therefore, price is way too far from the ribbon. So I'm interested. I've been watching this chart for a while now, so I'm gonna want to see. Let's see how this reacts, how price reacts based to that. Because when the moving average and the ribbon are too far from the price action, guys, when that happens, we usually see price try to bounce up into the moving average and the moving ribbon. So yeah, but that is something that I am really watching closer to. Now, if I go on the hourly, let's see. No, not the hourly. The hourly. There you go. Right there. Now you can see on the hourly, we can see the price already broken above the ribbon. But now, this is for you to kind of scalp. Like I said, look at the moving average. It's still falling, like free falling down. Therefore, I don't think this is going to support. I think this is going to come back down again the way it looks right now. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see if maybe this was the bottom, that it came all the way to 10.8, and now we are starting the leg up. But for me, yeah, I want to wait. I want to wait a little bit more before I enter my trade on Margex. Okay, let's see what the price does. Maybe we are into the surprise. Maybe the upward movement for Kaspa has started. But anyways, yeah, that is something that we have to see, because for me, like I showed you here, right here, like I showed you here, guys, I'm not convinced that move that we're seeing right now is genuine. I'm not convinced at all, because guess what, the MACD is still come on, let me go this way. Like, as you can see, look at that. So nah, I'm not convinced yet, because when you look at it on the weekly, you got to see it has to reset. Okay, the higher time frames first. Once the higher time frame reset, then you will see the lower time frame start to go. So therefore, for me, I'm not entering a trade yet unless I see signs. Let's say that excuse me, let's say that the MACD starts to flip. Okay, if the MACD starts to flip, like you see this, it starts to have like a pink color in the middle, and then you know that, okay, the MACD has started to flip. For me, that usually be the first indicator, like, okay, start to getting your price action, start to getting your margin, positions in. But yet another thing you got to look at the point of control, the price is way too low from where the point of control is. Therefore, yeah, let's see. Maybe now what we are witnessing is that Kaspa on the weekly time frame is forming a W. Like this is 1, this is 2, and now we're about to see this. But for me, I want to see this MACD flip first. Once it flips, then yeah, we will take from there. Anyways, yeah, that is what I'm waiting for. Okay, so guys, it is something that a lot of people are not paying attention to, and people decide, Kaspa is dead and Kaspa is not, this and that and the other one. But guys, for me, Kaspa is very, very much alive. Okay, so guys, let's go back here. Yeah, I had to get out from outside. These kids are making so much noise. Anyways, now this is something you gotta look. And again, like I said, I will show you my positions any day, okay? So that you will see. Let's go look at my positions right quick. First of all, it's going to be my Bydfi and then my Phemex. Just like I told you, I had to close my margins until the conditions are really favorable for me to get back into that positions, okay? Now let's go look at first of all Bydfi. Bydfi is right here. Again, like I said, if you're scared, go to church. If not, what you can do is you have to scale up your position. Scale them up and you will see how everything is all right by me. You can see right now I am still up 7,800. That's what I'm still up. And what I did, just like I told you guys, I scale up my positions, okay? Because there is a pretty chance that Kaspa comes down to the 11 cents or 10.5 cents, thereabout. We have to watch the market, okay? So what I did, guys, you guys remember my position? It is now up $5,000 because I scaled it up. And what did that do? What that did is like it lowered my liquidation, okay? My liquidation is now 8.6 cents. Now, I don't think Kaspa is getting that low. I don't think it is. 8.6 cents. So yeah, I am still down on it. I'm still down 63%, which is 3,100. Okay. When you look at my quant, okay, my quant is also, I'm still down 16%, which is 1,200. Pretty good. For me, everything is fine. Now, if I take you to my Phemex, let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Let's go look at my Phemex right here. On my Phemex, I am up $11,000, okay, which is normal by me. Like I said, these positions, I'm going to show them to you at the 6 figures and you are going to see it. Now, if you look at my positions, okay, my contracts, on my contracts, I do have here, Jasmine is moving, guys, because you remember the other day was like minus 50%. It's moving. I'm still down 30%, okay, 30%, but it is at 3,400. On my Kaspa, as you guys can see, like I told you guys, I scaled it up. You guys remember my position was like what, $3,000, $4,000? I scaled it up. Look at that. My position is now 5,600, okay, but I'm still down, okay, I'm still down 55%, which is 3,100. Now guys, like I usually say, don't do like me. I am a very aggressive trader. As you can see, I trade at 50x, not just these ones. I trade at 50x on all my positions. Look at that. Even when I go back to my Bydfi, you can see that clearly, okay. Let me push this down a little bit. You can see that I trade 50x. That's why when the market goes down, my positions drop. And again, like I said, I scale up my position, except for my margins, because margins does not allow me to scale up my position. That's why I had to close those trades and wait for a better entry. Now, a lot of you will think, yeah, maybe he lost the trade. No, nope, I did not lose the trade. You guys remember I was up like what, $1,000 or something like that. I took those profits and sent them somewhere else. So right now, as you can see, if you look at my wallet, I still have my funds right here. Still have my funds, 7,600, which again, I am waiting for that perfect entry before I can, put another leverage trade on margin. Just because, like I said before, they don't allow you to scale up your trades, and that's one thing I don't like about this exchange. But anyways, Let's go back here. Let's go back here. So to answer your question, is Kaspa dead? Hell no. Kaspa is very much alive. Very, very much alive. You guys remember, I can tell you another example. Bitcoin. Go look at Bitcoin history. When Bitcoin went from $1 to was it $600 or $700, something like that, a lot of people were telling, sell it, or you're gonna lose, sell it. Okay? Those of them who sold then, ask them today if they were happy with it. Ask them today. Go ask them. Let's hear what they will tell you. This is exactly the same similar situation with Kaspa. Kaspa right now, yeah, it went to 21 cents, coming back down to 11 cents. People are bearish. People are going away. The same people, when Kaspa hit that $5, $6 next year, oh well, we will sit here and talk about it. Okay? So, yeah, Kaspa is very much alive. These things happen. This is why this market, cryptocurrency market, is not for everybody, and you have to do the opposite for you to get rich. Anyways, thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Comment. I would like to see your opinion. I will try to respond to all your comments. Okay, and also share the content, share this video, so that other people with millionaire minded like you and I can easily, okay, exchange ideas. You never know what you will learn. You never know. Okay, share the videos, please. And again, thumbs up, like, and guys, it's that simple. It doesn't cost you much. It's a simple thing to do. Just subscribe and turn on your notifications. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Come on. Thank you very much for watching. Again, please, until I see you in my next one, please take good care of yourself, and bye-bye.